Hi, let's crochet this super easy pentagram crochet project in 10 minutes. Do 4 increases to form the corner, then it's almost done. You can visit our website for more the detailed pattern. Make a slip knot. Then chain 61. Turn and skip the first stitch. Do 11 single crochets. Do 3 single crochets into the next stitch. Then 11 single crochets. Three single crochets into the next stitch. Then 11 single crochets. Follow this increase pattern for more times. Until we get 4 corners like this. Cut the excess and secure the loose end. This is how we draw a star. Here we need to form the first point of the star. Then the whole star. I am using glue to connect the overlapping areas. You can also use a yarn needle to sew them together. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this little cute project, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.